A team of the Kochi Police's crime branch arrested fake antique dealer Monson Mavungal from Kochi on Sunday for swindling rupees 10 crore from several persons, reports IANS. Police said he used to collect money from gullible people, stating that he had a huge amount of money in a foreign bag but he needed some funds to retrieve it as it was stuck due to some technical glitches. Mavungal, who has acted as a middleman in financing movies, claimed that he had sold antiques to the Sultan of Brunei and UAE royals, that he is to receive an amount of rupees 2,62,000 crore in his bank account. The Kochi crime branch officials who led the team of police officers to arrest the fake art dealer told media persons, "We have arrested Monson Mavungal. There are a lot of discrepancies between his statements and reality. His claims are being verified and we have to ascertain whether he has cheated more people." Mavungal used to claim that he was having in his possession the staff of Moses and 2 of the 30 silver coins that were taken by Judas to cheat Jesus Christ. Police said that he had showcased these rare items, a throne said to be used by Tipu Sultan, as well as a huge collection of old Qurans, Bibles and old handwritten copies of Bhagavad Gita. Mavungal used to bring several VIPs to his palatial residence, a part of which was converted into museum to house his precious antiques. Sources in the police said that he had collected more money than what has come out in the open, and as most of those who had given money to him were holding black money or unaccounted money, he expected that they would not complain to the police. Representatives of the antique industry, speaking on the condition of anonymity, told that they had lodged several complaints that he was selling fake antiques and that this would have diminished their image among the buyers too, but due to his high contacts, nothing happened. Mavungal's arrest followed a complaint filed by Yaqub Khan and 4 of his associates who had transferred rupees 10 crore to him. A senior Kerala police officer who did not want to be named told that the dealer had connections and police were on him, but we could not take action unless a written complaint is lodged, which unfortunately was not given so far. This is the first complaint and we immediately took action. I don't want to be named as this is our duty and I don't know whether he was protected from some higher ups in politics or police. Meanwhile, police sources said that he did not have any prized possessions and most of the wooden collections he had were carved by a carpenter from Chertala. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.